Yeah, good day everyone. This is Mike on the Announcement Network. Come back to my channel. Please do to subscribe to my channel. Also, go down the description link and check out my website. You are going to see different content that's going to help you, and also different courses that's going to help your digital skills. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to take you through again up to different courses online. One of the problems we are facing as a youth is that we are spending too much money on courses that are not even relevant to our line of work. Some of you purchase courses that you are not even using it, applying it. Some of you try to apply it, but you don't actually get results. So you can actually break through those barriers by hacking through some courses, check it, and then use it for your daily activities without paying any money. So that's what I'm going to take you through today. So please do wait to subscribe to this channel and also visit my website under the description link. Also, I have my Telegram channel. Please do wait to subscribe to that channel also. Let's start the course. If you are going to get access to free courses, it's very hard because people spend their sweat, their resources on it. But there are some ways you can get into their course without even paying them. So one of the popular digital courses platform that we have is Udemy. Udemy is a kind of website where you go to their website, purchase a course, and then you have access to the course. So without paying, you can't have access to the course. So we want to have to this platform and then get their course out, check those courses and apply it to our daily activities, and then probably get money from it. So that's what we are going to do today. So the platform I'm going to introduce to us is udemy.com. So we are going to search for the course on your phone. And also I want to remind you guys, I always like something raw and something practical. So I start using my phone. So if you don't even have a laptop, it's something you can use with your phone. So most times I try to use my phone to display an expression for you guys, so that you will know how things are working. So even if you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone and still get something as a result. So what you are going to do is you go to your browser and check for this Udemy. So this is it. Let me just check it. You can see udemy.com. It's a free courses, and on your browser you will see different things here. So on this udemy.com, what it is that they give you free coupon, and every day they produce free coupons, thousands of coupons every day. So and every day coupons are expiring. So those that are expiring automatically, they delete them automatically. So they produce new coupons every day. So we are here to access free coupons on this website, and after we access those coupons, we can now use those coupons on udemy.com to access the courses that we want to purchase. So click on free Udemy courses, click on it. So this is how the website is going to look like on your phone, and if you are using a laptop, this is how it's going to look on your phone. More simple, complex than this. So what you are going to do is to go to this folder. You can see folder. So click on it, and then these are different courses. You can see course categories. These are courses here. You can decide to learn hacking. You can decide to learn game development. Many courses are here. For those of you that you are into graphics, you can learn Photoshop, photography, and many other things. If you are into networking and system, you can learn how to host AWS courses and so many courses like that. But me, I would prefer something around graphics. So let's check graphics. So I would prefer graphics. Let's check should we check, and let's check photography. So you click on photography and then search for the course you are looking for, from photo to DVD. Okay, you can see this one. I love this one. They said master AI video creation for free, unlock your creativity. Look at this top here. You can see they have $0, $0. Sometimes you check some courses and they will have huge price. Let me show you one. If you get to all these development courses like sorry for that, ethical hacking. Let's check ethical hacking. You can see the price. The price is $29, but it's now $0. Can you see? We have $44, but because of the coupon, they've changed it to $0. So we have many of them. So let's go back to our video that we're checking at a time. For those of you that are interested in graphics because I love graphics. So come here and check for photography. You can check Photoshop also if you are interested in Photoshop. So I love this course, so I'm going to check it out. So click on it. So just come down. You can see take course. So click on take course. There are many ads on this website, so don't mind them. Just close those ads when they pop up. So this is the course. So you can see this said master AI video creation for free, unlock your creativity. So you can see it said coupon not work, but don't mind them, just come to this side. You can see a link on the top here, so click on the link. You can see this said free, so you can enroll for this course for free and then claim the course. So that's how to access different courses online even without paying for them. So if you want to learn digital marketing, affiliate marketing, anything, web development and all of that, you can access them without paying for them on this platform. So this is all I have for you guys today, and don't wait to subscribe to my channel. And also most of my legit course, let me put that as premium course. Some of them you will not find them on my YouTube channel. You are going to find them on my website. And even some you might not even see them as public, some of them are private. So always do it to check out my website to know the update courses that are going on. You will see it there. So go there, go and check it. We see the update courses, and some of you that you are asking what's the name of the website, I call it drophunt.top. You can check the description box to know the name of the website. Thank you so much. God bless you and see you in the next video.